This morning I called in to see my niece Poppy Tuck. She was busy flying tourists on a spectacular flight up and around the Fox and Friends Joseph Glaciers on the west coast of the South Island. The two squirrel helicopters can carry 6 passengers. The flights can last up to an hour, but these flights are generally about 35-minute duration up the Fox Glacier and back down the Franz Joseph Glacier. A lifetime memory for anyone that goes on them. Call in and see Poppy and she'll certainly take care of you.
But they keep that far apart?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's lovely to see that on a beautiful day.